In this video, I'll review Flodesk, a popular email marketing tool that could really help you grow your business to the next level. I'm going to answer all your burning questions about the pricing plans, the automation features, ease of use and user interface, integrations with other platforms, and so much more. Keep in mind that using the wrong email marketing tool can waste a lot of time and a lot of money in your business. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so I can help you decide if Flodesk is a good option for you. For your convenience, I've included the link to Flodesk in the description below so you can follow along and you can check it out. Now let's start off with pricing because I'm sure that's what you're really interested in. If we look at their pricing here, it's actually super simple. They just have one type of pricing here. Technically two. You can actually get started completely for free. There's no credit card required. You can use the link in the description to check it out. And if you decide to get a paid plan, then it is $35 a month, but that gives you unlimited emails and you can add unlimited number of subscribers as well at no extra cost, which is actually quite a bit cheaper than a lot of popular alternatives, which I've made videos about on this channel. Flodesk offers a really good, cost-effective, one simple plan that you can use. Speaking of being simple, ease of use, Flodesk interface is really clean, modern, and intuitive, which makes it easy to navigate. The dashboard is visually appealing and well organized. The onboarding process is smooth with guided setup and numerous resources, including tutorials, webinars, and a detailed knowledge base. Now, customer support is also really excellent, and you can actually contact them via email, and they are responsive as well. So they've got this help center right here, and you can actually, look for popular questions that other people have and get answers. And you can also directly contact Flodesk as well to get help. Now, what about email design and templates? Flodesk offers a variety of visually stunning email templates designed for different industries. The email editor allows significant customization, enabling users to modify templates to match their brand identity. The drag and drop editor is intuitive and powerful, making it easy to create beautiful emails without coding knowledge. What about automation and workflows? Flodesk offers robust automation tools for workflows like automated email sequences and conditional triggers. The automation builder is user-friendly, enabling users to set up and manage automations effortlessly. Advanced automation capabilities, including behavioral triggers and tagging, allow for highly personalized and targeted campaigns. What about segmentation and personalization? So Flodesk provides really good segmentations. You can create detailed segments based on your subscriber behavior and demographics, which makes it easier to target different types of people with different emails. Now, what about integration? So how well can you integrate Flodesk with other softwares? Well, Flodesk integrates with a lot of different third-party tools, including CRMs, e-commerce platforms, and social media networks. So notable integrations would include Shopify, WordPress, and Zapier, and they have an entire section here on their website showing you how to connect Flodesk with lots of different popular softwares and tools that you might want to use in your business. What about deliverability? So deliverability is measuring, how good an email service provider is for making sure that emails you send using them actually land in your customer's inbox instead of landing in spam. Flodesk is known for really high deliverability, ensuring emails are consistently reaching people's inboxes. They also have spam testing tools that analyze emails for potential issues, helping improve their deliverability. What about their analytics and reporting? Flodesk offers comprehensive reporting tools, providing insights into key metrics like click-through rates, open rates, and subscriber growth. Users can also access real-time analytics for helping them make adjustments based on their campaign in real time, which could be really useful. They can also use their advanced analytics on Flodesk to get an ROI analysis for their business and also do conversion tracking as well as a bunch of other stuff. What about contact management? Well, Flodesk makes it really easy to manage your subscribers with tools for adding, importing, and organizing your contacts. Tags and custom fields can also be used to segment and personalize communications, which is something I've kind of mentioned earlier. A/B testing is also really good with Flodesk. You can actually test subject lines, your actual content content in the emails as well as the times that you send the email, so you can check, what time is best to send your emails to your subscribers. Now, Flodesk email templates are also mobile responsive, which means that the emails look really good on any device. This is really important because more and more people are opening their emails and conducting business on their phones. So Flodesk looks really good even on people's phones when you send your email. Overall, Flodesk is a really versatile email marketing platform with lots of tools, especially if you're a creative and you have a small business. You can drop your questions or concerns in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I've included the link to Flodesk in the description box, so make sure to check it out. You can try it out completely for free. Thanks for watching.